We have received great feedback and reviews from our clients. We are located at Seven Sisters in Tottenham on the 4th floor of the Anna House, right on top of the Victoria Line train station for your utmost convenience. We have a friendly office and provide all of the refreshments necessary while you wait to see a lawyer. We are dedicated to our clients and have a successful record of serving our clients. Solicitors of England and Wales are of high quality and are bound by the highest professional standards. We are officers of the court and are bound by standards of integrity, competence and conduct as part of our responsibility to uphold rule of law. Our solicitors and lawyers care about your case and are committed to providing the best possible service to you in the most considerate and careful manner. We hold 2 Law Society quality marks. Law Society accreditation helps to demonstrate that we have attained the requisite standard in the area of law and have the requisite expertise. Bwf Solicitors, we're here to help you with your legal services when you need us. Bwf Solicitors, we take pride in our client service. As a niche law practice, we are conscious of the demands of our clients. We always offer a friendly, listening ear and sympathetic attitude. We've worked with thousands of people all across the UK in all areas of personal legal services. We have received great feedback and reviews from our clients. We are located at Seven Sisters in Tottenham on the 4th floor of the Anna House, right on top of the Victoria Line train station for your utmost convenience. We have a friendly office and provide all of the refreshments necessary while you wait to see a lawyer. We are dedicated to our clients and have a successful record of serving our clients. Solicitors of England and Wales are of high quality and are bound by the highest professional standards. We are officers of the court and are bound by standards of integrity, competence and conduct as part of our responsibility to uphold rule of law. Our solicitors and lawyers care about your case and are committed to providing the best possible service to you in the most considerate and careful manner. We hold 2 Law Society quality marks. Law Society accreditation helps to demonstrate that we have attained the requisite standard in the area of law and have the requisite expertise. Bwf Solicitors, we're here to help you with your legal services when you need us. Bwf Solicitors, we take pride in our client service. As a niche law practice, we are conscious of the demands of our clients. We always offer a friendly, listening ear and sympathetic attitude. We've worked with thousands of people all across the UK in all areas of
your voice. Mountains move when you roar. The dead will rise when you speak life. Wasam yenkwa. Every other voice, so yeah. It's an opinion, they can have it. Eradicaso casa. Now what demons tremble at your voice. Mountains move when you roar. The dead will rise when you speak life. Wasam yenkwa. Every other voice, so yeah. It's an opinion, they can have it. Eradicaso casa. Now what wasam yesusu. Onyame wasam yenkwa. Wasam yesusu. Onyame wasam yenkwa. Wasam yesusu. Onyame wasam yenkwa.
no kra onyankopon asem ye nkwa onyankopon asem ye nhyira onyankopon asem ene kra yen se unim onyame asem a abribia wo de asem no etwetwaje wo ho ne ebetu bia unim asem na etwetwaje wo esanse asem no tumi wo asem no enoa na ne ekọ na ne eba enti na otro wona asem ne mu se ma wasem no entena mimu mendwendwen ho abribia na memfanto anamu na ebewie mi peye. Good morning all listeners. Me sama mo chin anope etiefu bia odaso etie GN radio anope enko bebia ye de aseda bema otwede ampo nyankopon se wama yen enkwa wama ya hoden na ene anope yesan ehie bio ye besan so ada ye nua bema Dr. Ren ase anope dwumedi a wabedi eye ni nyina ye politics nyina so ye se wuhu ne ekoso okromu a na wetu anamompa na wehu wahihye wo nneoma na wehu senia wode wa abrabo ebeye wo okrom sanso na yenya hode yenya nkwa ene yedwumedi a abribia edu efiada bia 9:30 kein ne etiha eye Bwf Solicitors for legal hour with GN radio no sa emre no na asoin enti mesre etiefo bia bomodia na frɛ wadamfo bi frɛ wonue bi frɛ wodofo bi sɛ ontwen bɛn na emre na som aha na ye kyerɛkyerɛ nneɔma aha na sɛ immigration sam ɛhawa otumi bisa ne free we de free untua ke bia no a sɛ obɛbɔ modia na wafrɛ telephone no ana sɛ wasend text message ana WhatsApp voice note ediaba na yabo ana sɛ yetie ana sɛ we bisa wasem na yeyi umwaye untia akebia enti bomodia sisia no nyame adom ye wo YouTube no mombo modia subscribe ne ye de wo YouTube ne se senkan kan no ye wo Sky channel bi mu bia mu TV na o ye ade nyina na wutie embia na wo phone no wutie wo so usuro se wo battery be wo ntam a o de so TV no dodo na mo smart TV ni nyina YouTube wo so obomodia na wo YouTube no so wo TV ne so a bomodia keke wo de type GN radio UK wo be wonse ebeyi ne ho epie o click ya live na sesia wo yesa na wo be hu me wo be hu adwumadi ayeye wo be hu ne pepepepepe ai se wo ti fie na wo hwe TV no sa na tie enti YouTube ne de ebeboa ye papa enti mombo modia ko YouTube bomodia ko YouTube na subscribe edwumedi a yebedi wa ha nyina obetumi etie na ne wo nso se nyame ye wadom na opese obisa question bi na se wutie TV ana wutie radio ana se wutie bebia wutie dwumedie ni fa no se ufre ya no we lower sa gadget na wutie program no wo so no we lower na kakra ulowa na afede na wetie ye wo telephone na wo de afre ye no wetie ye wom se moye sa de dwumedie no e smooth ba se opese wote wa wo ho TV no so wa wote wa wo radio no so a eya na ama distortions abem na afi yente wo ne papa na lawyer so ente wo ne papa na ne bewie ni so se mi yi wo dia no na mi lawyer no esa na dwumedie no che nipa dodo na enya ho kwan embemu nti we de mesre mo eni die mo onya frɛ ya no elowa o gadget na edwumedie na akoso yi na mesa yedidi dwuma no eno a yensesa ye no mesna na ye use na emom se wo frɛ a bomode na voice nkosoro kakra na yente wo voice no na wasem no so no aboni tie na kyerese ye koyenim nyame nhra obi biara otie ye midindi manye na ate wo frɛ manyeti a meju so with all respect entin ye bekoso ye nche edwumedi a ye bedi se ni amonim ye Bwf Solicitors for omo lawyer penimfo na ye nya omo a ye ne omo bedi dwuma yi na omo senior partner ye frɛ no Mr. Bernard Owusu a ye nyina dodo na friend no Uncle Ben ono na nyame adom anope yenya no a yene ne ba bedi edwumedi mesra mu Facebook for me domo pa mo damakoma so mombo modia nya me this very favor mesra mu ani die mu Facebook for wo de obi a waba Facebook so nyina me pamocho share, just share the bottom and mommy click the sharing button we contact us so nyina just share to them baby biara obi wo bia no so ye Ghana ni nko a obenya education ewo ade a ye ba beyi mu share na obi nso TUNEIN na mbe hu se na no mess na ekoso na chese nipa dodo na enya this particular education is very very important. Obi wo ho ansem efa ne so nso onti onimpo se ekoso nso enanyame adom obi afa ne phone ana okọ Facebook obi afa ne phone ana okọ YouTube nti when you keep sharing na obi ke ebehu wo baabi na ono nso ajoin na wenya ne fa ho di ewo nsemsem a ye baabe di ho komwe medamase mombo mode ana mo nhye na nkwa echi mame thank you very much. Very good morning to all my loyal listeners. This is GN Radio. You are listening to Bwf Solicitors Legal Hour with GN Radio. Please join us this morning. I believe and I hope say everyone is doing great. It's a very beautiful morning. Let's go straight to the line and get our dear Uncle Ben as we start the program. Please, you are welcome. Good morning, Uncle Ben. Say mente wonka producer ene me mami wahala bia o omodiana me nyoma ne nyina nko smooth mami ene ma hwimpa bona bibia nko yi yo. Good morning Uncle Ben pacho temenka
meto nka pa manyete that is
say adomo nko ani ahwe ye ho ye na pacho wonso
Yehowa dom ye nyina ye ho ye.
Yo.
Etinkwam ko ade na ye de nyame ase.
Sa yo me da ase. Ene de maji mi sunshine nti no. Ewia na ebons me won se sumun so ba. Yes. Yo Uncle Ben we de wadaroma yenche kra Dr. Ren sorry ntem tamami nsuma kechiri. But whatever it is we'll go straight on. But anope education Ben na obewo emaye na afe yentuma etifo.
Yo etifo amsa anope de yedam nyina ase. As my sorry ade mo internet at Facebook na YouTube more support hwe na na dwumadi aye bedi no efa yen Ghana fo no ho titiru omo ye Ghana fo ani omo ye Ghana fo esa ye kro foforo enti eno na dwuma aye bedi no am say we ketwa mu dede bebre ba Ghana ana si we nya Ghana ni ana we a Ghana ni ana I'm saying no crime who said messages be call around almost say free Ghana Interior Services Immigration. I'll more explain the case of Kweku Asare versus Attorney General. And I know mefa broadly no who is a Ghanaian. Now me discuss it. And some me ben so no I'm say some me ka me damu nyina ase. Mr. Mo important say mo be share because you share I have baby a kono bi wo a anya ne betie ebia na wotwenim ana obetie se na be yo no so ebetimi save ne computer so ana ne device ana se ne Facebook onya time obetimi ahwe because niam ya ka no dodo na ya very important eboa ya bra bomo ne ya setena ewo kromo ha Bwf Solicitors se na munyina amunim no ayedi dwuma ya che na a community adwuma na ye ti community adwuma bi efa community ne ho bia no so ye mbo se ye betimi aba na ye be ye ni na etimi explain it. And the question no who is a Ghanaian, so ye bisa say who is a Ghanaian and one or ye Ghanaian near ade a wode behwe no ye law enti o ye laws no pre-colonial times before 1957. What about 1957? Even 1957, two laws in the PA. What they are called 1960-1961 Nationality Act. Now what they are called 1969. What they are called 1971 na what about 1992 nti ehɔ na me be free no yenya abrofo yi ansa na abrofo no ba no na bibia ni wa ye friend of Ghana and I see a friend of Gold Coast na ye nyina ye kingdoms ye boy ye bra to be ho Ashanti kingdom we kingdom na ye wo ho na the concept of citizenship no na ni ho na dia ye wo no aye nationality enti so we Asantini we Asante national at the time sana British for no ebekeka ye nyina bom okọ no from so a no mo so mo kingdoms ti sa nkrofo no nyina no na omo hia se obi hyehye mra bia ade adi omo so British for no bae no ana ombe ye ne se sa British colonies no nyina no omo wo mu no omo ye British subjects and as British protected persons enti omo ana omo wo Gold Coast omo be two din Gold Coast no before 1957 no ni law a kase so we Gold Coast and I wo Gold Coast we say and I say we say but obi owo bia no na oye British subject and as a British protected person the time you use the word British protected person is omo mo fi Trans-Togoland on beka ye ho no mo ye British protected persons ti omo nyina no ye ka omo bom and British subject na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo nyinaa ɛyɛ Gold Coast for. Now when 1957 yɛ papa mo akoa from 18 BB akoa Smanimu Grant mo Kwame Nkrumah mo JB Dankwa mo nyinaa akɔ Sergeant Ajete mo kra ɛhwere ɔmo nkwa wabra yɛ fight sɛ yɛbenya yɛ sovereignty na yɛnya yɛ right to self rule no. Enti 1957 no omo passe law bi the Independence Act eno define citizenship na sa citizenship na define say ye Gold Coast no ye British subjects or British protected person na sa 1951 na parliament no omo first act a friend of Parliament Act number 1 ye British Nationality Act no the Ghana Nationality Act no sa act no and define a Ghanaian citizen tiano the first time TBB a friend of Ghanaian citizen and Ghanaian citizen no na oye obia ya wono ewo Gold Coast wa oye British subject or British protected person and say obia ne ana say nipa no nso no ɛwɔ sɛ ne nana ana the parent baako ɛyɛ sa British subject ana British protected person. From 1957 ayenya two acts no the first Independence Act and then the started independence no omo first parliament omo koye the first act omo yɛ no ayɛ to define who a Ghanaian citizen is and a Ghanaian citizen was somebody born in Ghana with a parent or somebody born in the Gold Coast with a parent who was born in the Gold Coast as a British subject or a British protected person. And as a grandparent, when you say any penny bia, near Ghana, but our parent and our grandparent and free Gold Coast in him are not a British protected person. I'm afraid, sir, you define it, nationality now one can be. And then you call the Republican Constitution. In 1960, in 1961, almost the Ghanaian Nationality Act by also define Ghana and Ukraine bomu tofa ayene say obi aya won Ghana and obi aya won outside Ghana no so wa wofo ni bi aye Ghana for and British protected person and British subject and say ya wo outside but wa wofo ni bi and our grandparent na or a British subject or British protected person, we are Ghanaian. And then from 1961, no, you call 1969, the second Republican Constitution, and also be defining Ghanaian, the same principle, no, you Ghana or outside Ghana, or parent back a Ghanaian, and I say or grandparent a Ghanaian, and I say or great grandparent a Ghanaian. Now, mo hye so because ye free pre 57 adeba 1957 law no different from 57 to Republican Constitution. Law no different. Republican Constitution to the Second Republican Constitution 1969 law no different to 1971. Grandparent or great grandparent, Ghanani, we Ghanani. And then from 1971, Bibia till 1992, current constitution, Article 8 of the 1992 Constitution, as amended, it define Ghanani, say Obia, ya one Ghana, and I want outside, and I will for be a Ghanani, and I'm a grandparent, a Ghanani. We are Ghanani. Bear in mind, say, Ghanaian citizenship, yetiminya by birth, to say the Mekaya, by descent, to say the Mekaya, by registration, and also by naturalization. The process of registration and naturalization, here, say, over residential requirement, over character requirement, and afi utimi kaya kasano. Obi ware Ghanani, utimi switch ebeye Ghanaian national by naturalization and as a registration. Through that process, the case law, but the case be to say Balungun versus Minister of Interior, Balungu and others, Alala Tafua, you deport to Ghana, our case no koi Olenu J High Court decision, and also defining Nipo Ghanani, British protected person, British subject, grandparent Ghanaian, parent Ghanaian, born in Ghana or born outside Ghana. And have three factors, it was a mitisa, three factors in Ghana. In the case of Balungun versus Minister of Interior, that was about the first case, a court, defining the concept of the Ghanaian citizenship. Now, idea a fire would be brave, no, and yes, I'm a Ghanaian and I'm a Ghanaian. Idea and Crofo who say, so we are Ghanaian. Now we could for citizenship. Account with citizenship now. Then a law no can. Law is very clear. In 1992, Ghana for a control the free be friend the Constituent Assembly, PNDC, no more power. So that time no. Omo the core is here prepare for constitutional rule no. Omo draft to constitution no. Omo the share will say so we are Ghanaian. Now we did 21. Now actively. Who acquire citizenship of another country will lose Ghanaian citizenship. And that time, no 1992 constitution here came. Obia obaji British citizenship, or koji German citizenship, or koji American citizenship, Canadian citizenship. Munyina mulusu mo Ghanaian citizenship. Until 1995, ana yemu bi started say kaja egum say enye fair. Say you took mostly economic migrants and also family migrants. Ayako kaya yere no mu ana yekumu ana ayako school. Na ye pay juma papa ye intino. Ya pese ya je British citizenship no. Because a boy ye juma ye no. Ade na mo je ye Ghana citizenship in free years. Inti Rollins mo tenase in 1996 no. Omo amende Article 8 of the Constitution added at 1995 Constitutional Amendment Act defining Ghanaian national. A ye sa deprivation of citizenship in free ho. Until from 1996, so we are citizenship of another country from the age of 21, still will retain our Ghanaian citizenship. Until you're dual national, or in certain cases, it might be a plural national. Could be one on a citizenship. Example, say me a Ghanaian, me ba UK na me British passport. Me ko America na me ko wo ba wo ho a. Me ba na ye Ghanaian or say ye British or say ye American. Enti ye from plural nationals. Normally the I can say I can't dual. Dual no means two, but it may be in certain instances obi or even four nationalities. Four nationalities. Enti since 1996 utimi kuta dual citizenship. And I said multiple citizenship, including Ghanaian citizenship. Now, what was happening, they said, from ehona de kono na omode the Ghana Nationality Act of 2000 by no na almost say ohwe your last sessions now a defined dual citizen tia ka say o person who show say we a Ghanaian a wo san ye kru for so the application for dual citizenship card. I can tell you an authority said I never applied. I didn't want it. I knew it was unconstitutional, and therefore I didn't apply. Because Obi Amiya Ghanaian, and then I'll catch them say Mensanya application, they recognize me as dual national. I think it was a process that was doomed to failure. Thankfully, Yenua Bema, a friend of Professor Kweku Asare, or the case called Supreme Court, and a Supreme Court here interpretation, said the requirement in the 2000 Nationality Act, so we are Ghanaian, now we are Krufu Froswa, or so we application, Emma Minister of Interior, normal dual nationality card, a illegal, a unconstitutional, a null and void. Now, may prepare for an may call almost all the embassies in the Western world, UK, Ghanaian High Commission, Germany, France, America, and Canada. But check your website. The only website correct about dual nationality the UK website, Ghana High Commission. Obia website, Ghana Embassy be outside, be on my website about dual Ghanaian citizens. It was so application for dual nationality card. Ningina wrong. And clearly, but who said Nema started call out, but we need to actively ask our government to advise our Ministry of Foreign Affairs. So on the website information they are wrong. Because we are Ghanaian, we here card. Idea we here Ghana passport. Now question and Crawford tell Bisan is a lawyer. I am a British but now me a Ghanaian son me be a British. Me call Ghana, me person major visa, then na me. So we are Ghanaian na ukuta o Ghana passport and any other Ghanaian travel document. We call Ghana, although say we are British. Now this our travel document and our Ghana passport na kwa. Wun here visa and a win here dual nationality card. Ukuta wo empty passport and an empty travel document and now they call Ghana. But the problem is, and a lawyer say may sign back to UK. Me Ghana passport no hwi nim enti me da ne maba. De wo be ye no oba ne say, what the Ghana passport no kire immigration for airport ho a. Obehu say o passport no empty. Obebi say now him na UK no o ye there no akọ because passport hwi nim. Now we proof of residence UK. It may be a card, it may be a British passport. Now the America say I was saying to soon because for the past 6 years, so your mouse there, you fans are when you're British, name mouse say, the good card so, you find good Ghana passport. And to the Agrofocus say, oh, and I went to me for Ghana passport, and free Ghana empty mano, and you know, crap. So, Ukra, indefinite leave, residence card, and our family residence permit. And I say, we could have British citizenship, now we could have empty Ghanaian passport. Immigration for no year where so obi okuta British passport biano or one coin so be right UK. Obi okuta card biano, either say a residence card and as a resident permit or one coin into the empty passport itself. I did prove on my customs immigration and they said, "One way a Ghana ni and into our Ghana one visa." And through the process, much what the Ghana passport and British passport are, any offense. It's not offense because the Constitution allows it, the Citizenship Act allows it, the UK government allows it because UK government and the British laws allows dual or multiple citizenship. Obiti said, you're Prime Minister, or you're American, and then or you're British citizen. Because you want to America, into you're American, and you're British citizen because the papa and then the mommy are British, or you're British citizen. Now, the issue you struggle with a empty passport because Ukra indefinite leave now will naturalize it as a British citizen, and I will register as a British citizen. We indefinitely leave no a kaput, a null and void, a woo. Because on indefinite leave, 1971 Act and the demand. 1971 Act and so a defining right of abode as a British citizen. Or use another passport. It is a British citizen. Well, right to remain in the UK, and yet restricted. Although say indefinite leave, amount unlimited time, yet, we are subject to immigration control. And time limit to wahano, and yet limited. But you are still subject to immigration control because you bet me we indefinitely leave from himself, and I would do port and so on, almost subject to further checks. Let me recap. I mean, Subium. So we are British citizen. Now we British passport. We pair. Now we are Ghana ni. We pair. Menka say yeah, but we pair. Na koji Ghana passport. Crofo breakers na lawyer. Nationality card no. No ana me pay. Yes, I okay dear. But Ghana passport no. Anya Ghana nkwana allow. Any country in the ECOWAS, what a Ghana passport call without let or hindrance and without visa. Would to be for dual nationality card and call Nigeria because your travel document. And to say who could our British passport, now could our dual nationality card. Now they call Nigeria. I'm imagine I say, hey, Oga, now you be Ghana man. I'm on my own. And that is why I advise, says we a Ghana near, now we a British near. Acquire a Ghanaian passport. I had 10 years. For 10 years, a bomb, but because British passport name, I am valid for 10 years. And you renew British now, no renew Ghana dear. Now what they call Ghana, no yasho butum. Or Ghana, I be a business deal with Ivory Coast, Nigeria, Benin, Cote d'Ivoire, Benin, Cotonou, or meeting. And once I found Ghana passport, now. The fact is that as a Ghanaian, we hear dual nationality card. The other thing is that Mr. Mamukoka said, Uncle Ben said, Ukra British passport, now we are Ghanaian here. Who bet me a call Ghana, I won't give visa. And yes, I'm American. But since we are Ghanaian, now what's I British? Now who crack Ghana passport? And the American say, who crack Ghana passport? Now you're valid. We call Ghana, we hear visa, we hear dual nationality card. The definition of Ghanaian is beyond doubt. Constitution defined it from pre-57 at about 92, 96, 2000, Ghana for definition. Now, Obibeka said, now dual national or disadvantage benewum, disadvantage bebrewum, ebi Article 96 of the 1992 Constitution and ebi was Section 16 of the Citizenship Act. Ninyina elemented dual nationals positions be wa wuntiminye director of any state institution, including immigration, fire service, wuntiminye colonel and the military, wuntiminye high court or Supreme Court or Court of Appeal judge, wuntiminye president. Ebiom Omwa kwa Ghanaian nationality no untimi enye president. Ti se opese wo ba bi ye president a wo se oba no o akwa ne Ghanaian nationality through birth or descent. So when you're Ghanaian national by birth or by descent, now we are by naturalization or registration, you can never become a president in Ghana. But we are Ghana ni na ukuta British passport and so on. Bear in mind, say, wintimi enye MP, wintimi and standing for elections, wintimi enye president, Anna wintimi occupy certain positions, including an ambassador to Ghana. And the way Anna, Professor Kweku Asare, on a group B, ya draft legislation, ya try and say Yame Adoma, Aban Beji Atum, no be a Kwayama Ghana form Kutada citizenship. Nasa na mwani ji se mo beboa ye kru no mo nyina motimi akọ na makọboa but I know ye question and issues for another time, but for now no dear we are Ghanaian, we are British, we kura Ghana passport empty once a year empty no say empty say then you uko Ghana we here visa ufri Ghana ba what do Ghana passport chere now the British passport are confirm say ubitimi ra UK. The final thing no yeah more sorry my application I'm more trying say my bomb no UKBA add information about say mumu bi wo ho a yeah mama mbom nsa biom to be our application bia no mesra hwe email no because on be email mu bi mu wo ho a ye be email mu aka kire say wa fa wo phone na twa picture ebra because nka wo ko bo nsa na twa picture no but almost say omo adwuma na be dɔɔso nti omo ntimi mfrɛ nkrɔfo ama omo be bɔ mo nsa nti bia check in email and I say, oh, lawyer, catch a lawyer, and I say, lawyer, you see, home office say, yeah, application, yeah, transfer be free and ya boy and son. Ya boy and sadada, you move your wire, say, yeah, free, nemo, you be careful to mum, and I come to Mr. Lawyer. Mun check him with email, say, many BBC. I call answer, ya born and son within the last 2 years, no. Or say, after 2 years, dear, on my friend, but after 2 years, very unlikely so my friend because in Kolana ya almost a son and intina AB on my friend. Timanyeti, ubisa mia and adia midija mono. The concept of Ghanaian citizenship, foreign to Ghanaian. Prior to our independence, we were called Ghanaian nationals, not Ghanaian citizens. Sorry, Gold Coast nationals. Okay. And obia we are Ghana ni bia no. So we are British ni kanwa. And obia we are British ni. So we are Ghana ni kanwa. Mesrel oko Ghana je passport na fako.
Asemo. Sa hone di Uncle Ben. Me are very, very, very sure say or say ye sound sisubium because sisi ana say uhu sa nukre na. Obi nso betena echire aka say ene say o ma Ghana government enye school se ne ya ekoje visa ya ekita pass eko book ko se akrompo enye ko obium a de bia ye kwa ne akoje visa ya akoje ebi wo ha queue na ya all this hassle ne nyina ye so betwa however no nso no o ya mo nye sika no sa information I say ye de ate ye enye obia nenim e na ukodu immigration question is say ukodu immigration ho na I say some of the workers no sa de no monim into mo na ya no mo mayensa wahala ne say there be unkita we a mema untwem mema unko mema nti se ko ba ni sa ukọ na immigration officer bi si there be o ma unko a Uncle Ben ube de yiyi mu a kire ne say na mra ne tie ono na onye ne homework say den na o say wo ye
I mean first of all no say Udu Ghana immigration now call their problem no I'm complaining no issue and first of all what do passport actually what do British actually and intina one visa no or British passport no so say and intina win here visa and from by UK no so okay so there be anya writer supervisors jina ho immediately no bisa na only supervisor no kasa. Okay. Ye we are me share our Facebook Monday. The particular decision ye papa that no ye justice of the Supreme Court on normal majority decision in the case of Kweku Asare versus Attorney General. Omoka say we Ghana near. We here card bia a friend or dual nationality card no emfem prove say we Ghana ni na menka say we Ghana ni a wo de wano kwa na eka yes in the case of Balungun versus Minister for Interior no Justice Ole no ka say to prove citizenship no it may be by oral evidence and yet documentary because Ghana no your constitution so the laws of Ghana includes our customary law and practices and usages practices and usages in they are documented and oral and the proof of citizenship no in the case of Balungun no Justice Ole no at the time no justice of the High Court no Sa case ne kyerɛ sɛ sometimes no betumi approve o citizenship all right, but remember so mo ko prove on citizenship ne the family members and you say airport no ntumi fa wa no nkoka sɛ me ye Ghana ni o we hear document no ana ye Ghana passport no but a doubt be or what for immigration supervisor no na ne nkasa na ye sure so because be do oni a check on yama kodada okay nya dia wo issue na ade no nka no but me post to sa that bar and post not around, but I will share it again on our website and also on the Facebook. Na more muhiano what you see.
You Uncle Bear that's it. My first question will be the Abremi. Also, I want in Mawaha. Omunyina acquire British national. Na neba bema bakwe wumno ne niji politics ho pa. Just say Oni Oshana ohu prospect oni mu se wan hwe kro betumi di president into bisa ono aya ono wa ho atisi a oye British national no be di president but say wentie from the beginning into angabe misro obetumi amane tofa amame abe me de pa.
Okay, enti we have constitution now. We have Article 8 of the Ghanaian 1992 Constitution as amended now. Ghana ni aye obia ye wono Ghana ana ye wono outside Ghana ane mame ana ne papa aye Ghana ni ana one of the grandparents aye Ghana ni
okay
so we Ghana ni na wo ba no na the date a wo ba no na wo ye da so ye Ghana ni ana the date a wo ba no na one of the grandparents no ye Ghana ni a oba na ye Ghana ni
okay
wa wo ha wo na wo indefinite leave ana na wo ye British into oba no enso aye British. Okay. Now, this is where the problem is. More person was standing for elections with the current law, especially Article 96 of the Constitution, I think Article 45. I think Article 45 it relates to appointments. Article 96, not just say, was some renounce or British citizenship.
Okay.
Who renounce or British citizenship? I'm telling you, I am very, very serious. One year British. We are Ghanaian, but we need to stay because you're British, you're indefinite leave, and I'm more indefinite and some are more naturalized. You're British now. The law no say we indefinite leave expire, and you renounce our British citizenship now. 1 year, we need to stay.
Okay.
Until. What do you have to do? What you have to do is say, person what's now, and our person I will say, apply for indefinite leave to remain.
Okay.
So, now we are British. Ubani bit me or renounce on a British citizenship. Or bit me apply for indefinite leave to remain.
Okay.
So, who cry indefinite leave to remain? Anna, eventually, what British citizenship? Now, person acquire politics, and so person will renounce or Ghana or British citizenship or renounce or indefinite, indefinite, and say, Woodada. I was now qualify within the immigration rules, including the 1971 Act and then the 1981 immigration rules now, amending to the current time. Now qualify within. It may be long residence, it may be through a spouse, it may be through a child. But whatever it is, you will have to then physically make an application to Home Office. Now, state will leave, but I was within the current definition. And a problem. The preference, and say, I was say, I buy SSN law. SSN Section 16 of the Citizens Act 2000. Also, Article 96 and Article 45. I was so amended laws in India. Now, Otimi Magana for Yakon Magana. So you perceive Gina for political position because you acquired a foreign citizenship. Itimi Gina. Them say I am pushing it to do.
Yes.
Ghana for no, and ye pushy sa right no. I am writer. I was saying you focused near my drink call because you say nipa dodo ana enam dodo ensen kwan.
That's right.
Inti say ye meya ye wahai ni ye nana numu ya ye wahai. Si ye pesa da achi no mu play role wa Ghana. And you see enya level playing field, fair rules. Utimi standing for elected position. Ewa Ghana. For me, no, that would be the real democracy. I was saying, you know, society here, then I would believe, say, as Ghana as a nation, yeah, democracy, no, because we read the case, especially the Taban, we read the Atuguba decision, we read you more. The way I know Moody, we may not be patriotic because yeah, we own no allegiance to another country. No? I wasn't too comfortable, but it is what it is because in private, you know, meaning 24 be break as someone in Jeho say, yeah, you are breaching no crowd.
Mombaji position.
Yeah, but the position. But more when you know, I a fighter, I was say start.
You Uncle Ben, he does say, yeah, kola be wow. Sorry, say we did not search. Yeah, but Facebook phone, you know, Madam Masim, keep on sharing. For me, friend from Pachowa Homa, so your friend send out kase free. Hello, Kolam Pachowa Homa, so your friend send out kase free. Okay, me for before Fry. Hello, Kolam Pachowa Homa, so your friend send out kase free.
Me Pacho, your friend Kofi.
You.
Make kase free meeting case.
Pacho Kofi Kosowa me why?
Mamina, good morning. Me chair lawyer, so maybe I will be.
Good morning.
Me Pacho, me question and me question me be my lawyer. Me say, me stepdaughter, or British passport. Na nanya na uma yitimi kakara about lawyer office guidance ni no man na omode boy ma yitimi ye ekrata ma obana me no ena ye misumidina so ye wo fofo na misumidina so na misumidina me die na ye me renewal ye renewal na akwala ne passport no ebe wu na me boa August ye na bema na one obana edika wo ye no bema no ye hu na chia kwan a ye nika ye application ni na ye ma home office for hu say bema no ye obana ehu na chia kwan it is say no person bu salo ya say ku ye wa say chinchina ni bema na man sign passport forms no so na say because I probably passport in the next month. And I'm me lawyer say, you should share them on okay because them and you would a chairman.
You lawyer.
And I say, yeah, it is my feeling.
What's your mom? Why?
Okay.
You. Uncle Ben.
Yo, I mean, first of all, no, say, oh, back now, your passport, amana. I will phone be a to me sign. And Oba no na bema no to be sign. Akola no nso ne guardian to be sign. Enti wunyia se ne papa anya available a e wo se chenchen a akwawewe no. Se bi wo anyo no anko na utimi hwe akola no. Obi o parental responsibility ana se owo guardianship e wa akola no bia etimi sign so ya akola. Enti wunyia se mba akwawewe papa no.
So bema no so na omode passport in the man or no still affecting me pacho.
Absolutely. And yeah, they be affected. No, why?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yes, yeah,
that's okay.
Yo, Pacho, call out number ended with 5807. 5807. Pacho, when they do so, your friend send out as a friend.
Hello, good morning. You're from Ben, Mikasa from London.
You.
Manya tea, ready, Madam Asi, Jumapa, Mo, Yaminganya fan.
Yes, yeah,
I think crying on so I'm a me country. I am a friend 3 weeks ago. Time Uncle Ben in your award, no, my friend Mutiamo. Ebo my basso. Now, I know pay me who say, the topic or the to is different from what I want to ask Ghanaian. I'll be Ghanaian more. Now, okay, Mate, the woman says that time my friend can say Madame Fubina or Tiha or of Germany, but or indefinite leave to remain now or warren a year in December no from Ghana. After so Marco Wareno during normal chain decision about Corona and by into the decision to.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, hello.
Oh. the car frames and in line na katiko. Sorry, yo, Uncle Ben, I'm saying one can say we any line na katina. Yenu abema 6168. Una also 6168. Hello, 6168. In Patona also.
Pacho.
6168. Una mane chat una.
Yo. My tea, I'm not paying me watching. Yeah, lawyer, so Uncle Ben, so achi. Yeah, lawyer, I'm Pacho, I'm pressing beside some cacreo.
Coso.
My seven is, says here, Corona Darumi, Atuafa, Avia Singing, Marcus, almost some countries, say, Gan Africa, yin to me, Emma Europe. Into me, person, Bisa says here, say, Abia officer of Koso, Bushing, and I say, the area, and I saw back if you Ghana, ever you here. With Sir, Omode after to Hono, a quiet at the horses, still now beat me a room, UK. In case so move be any dear, so we have this and a quiet baby must beat me about now because maybe I'm that's it, Master Moen.
Okay, Uncle Ben.
Okay, well, first of all, Obia Ukuta resident permit, resident right, residence card, entry clearance for permanent residence. Obia no obet me as require Samemaha, and I'm Europe. In Kisa, we hear Yamano resident permit, Sir Ombe join as a family member, and you're on a yeka. Omo yeka Obia or Koho are a yet temporary, usually on a visit. I don't hear some man. But Obia ni wa obetimi a si woa woye Obia we resident waha, and I we national, and I we European national. So Kofa we yere abano, Ebeka chira we say coronavirus in Tiama number. Your loss no criteria. In fact, I'm crying out on Bedrensa.
Yes.
Into the directive nearby, I covers BB almost be a friend or air bridge, and as a protection area. Almost here, virus on was through. Unconformable about temporary. In fact, also may renew, review every week. So we are Ghana in our holiday as some near. We are resident, Ewaha, now call Ghana, now about problem no. We are resident of Ghana. No kum and our yere and our papa and our mammy and our offer. I finally am out near Giatum said, Betina UK, and I said Betina Germany and our Spain. Obia no between yes, you guys, Ufi Ghana and to me, my uncle. Of course, that can't happen, and you're right. Tenya Omani Eka, why?
You Obetia say,
my tea.
Yes.
I'm saying the lawyer I came on phone away as me manche on an idea. I'm saying was difficulties in TB. I just say me back because you know, what the own man and I'm a but me lawyer where the Okano and CBI me back. You answer your driven the America to team back. You,
yes, yeah, hello, Pacho wow, mas kafra say wache. Your friend say na ka say friend.
But me na yo manya tea.
Papa. Pacho koso. Oh. Mete won kan Pacho koso.
Na me free London. Na me pese me bisa Uncle Ben asem kakra. Me patro me application for the no recourse to public funds to be elected. Now me patro me drew point be say non-applying dependents. Now me pese me bisa Uncle Ben say what does it really mean? Me won kwala me no ba ko ye British and ba ko so e wo krom ha say oni nkrata afi na me be apply ama no and na me application me nim ne e wo say me patro me damase.
Okay, Uncle Ben.
So already from Bia na ya trust non-applying dependent. So Bia Oshano no application away no on can.
Okay.
And for example, Baba British, Bako okra 2.5. Now also no recourse no done so. British no dear your application and dear or you Ghana new Ghana passport no more apply but Oh, another dependent. Oh, you're British name. Because who tell the and yet you're 2.5 and quite automano. Automa British name so. Once or you're dependent, So you're British now. On count or you're non-applying dependent. And our sister wouldn't it income.
Okay, Obeti or the to send your bear Obeti or radio no more. Thank you. Patro do phobin so ahumane so hello, Patro free near Frau saying. Hello, Patro ahumasu. Hello, Patro ahumaso. Your Frau say now kase free. Okay. Yo, and ya yanko ahanso na yen share your messages ne bi ye twen yentie yen first voice note or the aba obi kra bomi subro ha you mpacho yentie yen first one Uncle Ben.
Yo.
Good morning, Dr. Ren. Good morning, Lawyer Dankwe. Yadamasine adwuma pa mo.
Sorry.
Good morning, Manyeti. Good morning, Uncle Ben. Yadamasine adwuma mo bomanga ne community. Na me ko share mo no me kwan emam. Pacho mo brief and concise question me nse bi ambesi me busa. Why? Pacho first question. Pacho can utility bill does phone bill be to say mobile phone bill to say e ne telephone does it constitute a utility bill with the use for efficacy application e settlement scheme this name Pacho mami hwane ye GH bi. Number 2, Pacho the case of child nearby no ebe affect omo resident card send a family member more resident card or member EU settlement scheme so mo pay settled status and as effective on those on the 2016 regulation nko ana that's the second question. And a third question is about you by 31st December resident card ne kuta biometric na enye adwuma bi timi bu say fan say wo tukwan akọ holidays and say udru airport one na card be na de be kira me ya mask ne usad na ewo and access or apply for pre-settled status na online status no de be check wa na do passport nkwan ka because e kire ma adwene oda man the question means so wait me answer me ka be me de na me kira.
Yo, Uncle Ben.
Okay, I mean, first of all, the second question, no man, but first one, the case utility bills are normally utility, gas, water, electricity, telephone. You can't telephone, so can usually landline. British those days now, back room on a mobile phone in the British Telecom. You can't utility bill, British Telecom, BT. However, with a mobile phone, sometimes be more restricted, someone pay mobile phone. But so almost specifically, I'm restricted. I would to use because evidence of address.
Yes.
Unless specifically, on my room say you pay mobile phone bill. Then I was open. But utility bill there, and the utilities, those days now, it's water, it's gas, it's electricity, and sewage, and then BT, British Telecom.
Yeah.
The second one, I say yes, say card then you valid bill. Now I'm not sure, say sana yeka, minim di ubi account yet, but the yen yaka me colleagues are yakana say December way 31st of December EU for no BBBC. Yanka residence card asem.
Yes.
However, so we EU busiani up to June next year. So we'll be apply for EU settled status, either for your pre-settled status 5 years or for your settled status indefinite leave. Me who be mo card ya chase aka trom say nipa one definite I don't know mama no 1 year almost so card the way expire next year. Now that's a different thing. The problem I work currently Home Office conflicting information and you take you on. I mean there should be no doubt.
Yes.
Because I keep saying say lawyer when you man say Obama Lord, anything from lawyer. And you'll be a Home Office can I would it. No, we yes, I'm sorry. I'm not being rude. But as a lawyer, what the law in a year,
yes.
And I'll be said 10 years case back court. You were the lawyer for the claimant, and then the lawyer for the opposing side, and our plaintiff, and lawyers too, no? You are better line, maybe you are English is a language of the British people. Ubenya lawyer bako beka so there be antisa. Ubenya lawyer bako beka be before. And for us, no, once a law no wa ya call law school, ya qualify as lawyers, ya my certificate as lawyers, no. Yeah, the law no na ye adwuma.
That's right.
And be any why I throw law nim say December way or card be a card no nye adwuma bi. But menim say cards bi wo ho a omo ba be upgrade no ntia no no mo ka kire wo bi so omo be ka kire say card we ye be senti na ya ne sa. But say wo tu kwan a ye sure say wo card a obetimi de aba. Ye ka kwan tu no ma men kire mu bibi.
Yes.
Menim bi mu a omo akọ Ghana and omo akọ krofoforo so omo akọ ka omo ntimi mba. Mesre mo san krofo ni nyina no week here last week ye ni home office for akasa.
Yes.
So obi wo ho a owo Ghana ne visa na wo Ghana. Sa nipa no ontimi nya application wo Ghana nkotua thousands. It's not fair.
Yes.
And today na moye. Home office say, "Oh, lawyer, ebi o, mo dem send email mbrae. Ya be no fee waiver. Sorry, visa waiver. Sa visa waiver no Hong Kong fo nko na de ma omo. And it's certain groups of people. But meaning the entire home office in yes announcement no. Obi a outside bia now kromo about visa na ko outside no. Send email to the COVID email na home office website no. Among said, dear sir or madam, I'm now in Ghana. Unfortunately, my border is closed. I'm not able to leave or travel to the UK. My visa is expired, and therefore, even if the border is open, I'm unable to travel. Would you kindly issue me with a UK visa waiver? I'm send the visa waiver by email. I'm issue visa no by email. I don't know about what the beba because I want a record so. My children BB and I keep saying, say 150 sometimes when you do and you're free when I catch them saying your first year client no and they were so kind and respectful. Was it David mom client be uncle Tieska obi are not here wakotna Ghana the visa na ko Ghana no won't remember because of COVID. Or email ye be man free visa, free your friend visa waiver. The by email, and we've been doing that for our clients. To be our person we be no. Call website na so a was so bet me aye na we yiri ana wuku na wakoka no. The man visa. Because sometimes I am a person me church mu yi. Misre mo men ka mo apply some yiri ana mukumra. Mo Ghana ya mo 1 month na ewu no nyomo na America. So no yama almost special procedure be a almost fast one. Replace visa no up to the end of this year. Ain't most money problem. Make will be oteha either with 2.5 years and I say 5 years. Wako Ghana na visa no ako ewo Ghana. Won't member because of COVID. Ubet me apply for visa waiver through the COVID email. Nom de bema.
Okay. And then you hear pa Uncle Ben. Here yo odofo bi wa homa so hello. Kafra say we gina so ache fra say na ka say free.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Bonjour, me din the grace. Me ba say we be lawyer. Question kakwa.
Pacho koso.
Me pacho me renew my visa 2.5 years no. Na items of correspondence no. Me menya me de 6 na na me kunu de no. Onyenya 6 no. Inti onyenya ne some person be lawyer say me ne dey. In this case no me ya na say. Say na me fa me no.
Yo, Uncle Ben, Adaroma.
Yo, I mean, first of all, the Indian baby say, so who could renew or spousal visa over the 2.5 years? I almost possess items of evidence of cohabitation. It's usually bank statements, credit card statements, P60s, pay slips, utility bill, gas, water, council tax, tenancy agreement. So when problem. So bank statement no kwana throughout the period that should be fine. because again no and also eka mwasetena no a kyerɛ sɛ mo nyinaa mote to say even bank statement nkwa na wukun wa for the 2.5 but that's okay obetumi a use one men you worried about it okay
yo mama sauti oh I'm sorry I told you before Bobeti yo pacho also o ahoma so na money end with 3478 pacho we need do so your friend say na ka say frame
okay me fine and the Castle London the person be said lawyer say what's that from her for 20 years now
before we are very faint wow
the person be said lawyer so what's happening here for 20 years how do you go about the 20-year rule
yo Uncle Ben pacho say what ya
Amity. Okay. Many of them, Michiao. I'll be first of all. So, what's in 20 years, sir? If be a friend of private life under paragraph 276 ADE, sir, paragraphs in the Yashisha, or between 0 and 7, between 0 and 18, and it's uncrophoning in our Sir, we are above 18. I was what's for 20 years. And sana when you are sitting application or application for private life it will fill a form no for private life no long residence private life form LR private life so our form now will fill no and then I would say what the 20 years for her and for every single year I will say we prove and I will promote with bills bank statements, pay slips, university letters, school letters, college letters, GP letters. Now why? But I know kwan I was so chere. I was so chere and so says our corona will free so no. In addition, say what the 20 years wa. When you corona share and link it ho, mail no won ko won tan ko and I won ko and then I was so chere. Now I justify the entire was here my private life leave to remain. I'm about 2.5 years. 4 times. I bear 10 years. After 10 years, they are now indefinite leave to remain. Or 10 years, I started from day now, you never see your passport anymore. Because normally, no could renew with visa now. I ask sometimes, almost until the quality of visa now could be 3, 4, 5 months. And just I was at 2.5 years, the Bema will be last one, I was so dealing in a year. Yeah, the last one, now, kind data, the first one amount not 10 years about. We'll be to make the application at immediately.
You, Betty, so young sooner, two adrian, and no, I say, Bombardian, Nassau document, Nina, Nako, lawyer, may recommending Bwf Solicitors amount now, or Mundi said you money mouth, and Chibia on Sabeka on Crata. You, Pacha, wow, number 5807, a trap to on, wona edu, so your frost and our casse frame.
But from Ben, me from London.
You number a catty earlier on.
I was the second person. Started program. Okay.
Bisawasem.
Okay. Masam say me friend 3 weeks ago regarding Madame Fubia or EU citizen of Germany. Oko worry December no Ghana.
Okay.
Or then application too more. Na niakoba anese because of coronavirus near my check on taking the decision no. Okay. I feel a decision now, but decision nearby no just 2 days ago there was a mistake there. Mistake and I say I'm gonna go through the background check, everything is all right, but the only mistake was in the marriage certificate. Wa worried into all your application or the divorce certificate can the application can the marriage certificate. Into space na one marriage certificate na nanke say from Ghana you try divorce no divorcee no. I'm try single. Into home office for say we produce divorce certificates adentina hono omachro single into omo refuse no but omo man the right to appeal for 28 days into ni say mimbisa man say afena say oye new application and say oye appeal and secondly so Obano so since January and since December no koye ni TB ni vaccine BB no tuberculosis no and also by now say ewu and also so and how will they go and then the fingerprint and Obano will she receive her passport back or how will the whole process go? That's why we want to know. Because the man had the right to appeal within 28 days. You see, I was sending my marriage certificate to Ghana for correction.
Uncle Ben, Uncle Ben, hold on. Omumi no waha, ana baku Ghana.
Baku Obano Ghana no Obama no waha.
Okay.
A customary marriage, and
but Obama no indefinite leave to remain or German passport.
Now a customary marriage, ana
ordinance.
Ordinance. Okay. Well, first of all, no, sir.
Pachotie gadgets in the why, baby.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. And so we have law now. Law is a spouse. And one a spouse. Papa be a minimum of spouse. And law is a spouse. And one a spouse. Spouse will be a married couple. And married couple, no. The word married, no, just say. Bear money or bar, usually bear money or bar, aba ama, chronom wasono, chrona giatum se omaware. And the question is, sa unye and our down free, on an omaware? And the answer is absolutely yes. And it's a unyano awarea. Na omo marriage certificate, no mistake abaswa. I don't just call worry. And you see, sometimes, it's really concerning the way British High Commission and I say UKB, you know, they're so pedantic. Me who said I'm a canny tree craft. Many being so any in the sense that question was obviously papa we ni a year we ni kuni. If the answer is yes, you go on to deal with the next issue. Qualify within the rules and then you deal with it. But said issue on a marriage certificate in so it's got absolutely nothing to do with him. It may be say or your EU ni into application and casano say tia. So on your consent too much obet me a mama some marriage certificate no I no for. But the lawyer in me catch them say menya appeal na meni omunku sie ni na bibia maka atwere say mo say mo sabio mo nyani pa bia. But for the client, because lawyer know your adwuma ma client and you or your client in interest because of person be kan iku ne ho no it may be say EU ni a onye correction or apply but so you ade a wakotua sika almost $3,000 e de aye dia make a try say you appeal amend the certificate no send a common mobile omanfa ma woni omunku sie ni na ma omunhu sena omo aye adea emfata nti EU ni a uncorrected reapply say oye indefinite leave into you soon indefinite na ba na on you soon EU citizen da but I assume so you soon EU citizenship
so a German citizen
German citizen no naturally say correct reapply but so we are British and now indefinite wa na wonye EU ni now ko fa oyere aba na wuku now marriage certificate na birth certificate ni mistake or so and no interest wonye eba ana wonye yere ana wonye iku. Because the question is we eba ana yere ana iku.
Uncle Ben say senior wakane na nipa ko ye birth certificate say enyo no worry obi na try ye mistake ara na mo de penalize me yo odofo bi wa homa ne so mesro we gina so ache fache me we na ma ye 3802 em say KK yeah mpatwa wo na edo so ye fra o se na okase free.
Good morning. Yes, Manyetini Uncle Ben Michiamo, AKK. But manti most part of it na me wo edumemu group call sinti. Now until your question maybe I will answer the and I'm sorry. But my question is say that person bisa Uncle Ben say mo British passport now Ghanaian passport. Now for example what could do airport and so the one who say Ghanaian passport now expire. Can you travel to Ghana with your British passport? No, so the back claim immigration wa. Udu Ghana no presents Ghanaian passport no. Say me Ghanaian passport today, my bami krum na expire. Untumi deport me nko bia. Until na me call home na call renew before I'm back. But the person who said there's any legal implication be now, i.e., say you'll be fined and now be wagana na. And my second question so, and it said, me read you about this say no Home Office, so they are taking a sensible view in respect to say biometric appointments. Say after 2015, say biometric they may use your old biometric, no. Now, any appointment, any instead of apply, book appointment, they will just use your old biometric way. Normally, to elaborate on it for us, and that's it.
Okay, Uncle Ben.
Well, I mean, first of all, my answer second question first. Yes, okay. me can say moi yamamo yabomonsa post 2015 and after 2015. Home Office and Kasa who say adwuma na bedoso. Very likely someone yam biometric. And that is true. But under 18 now. Someone the biometric within the last 2 years, possible some friend. But watch out, we email, don't send you email. I can see travel photo bra. To be a wire application be a unyanko bones and see a bones after 2015. It's possible say your my uncle bones. But you better do phone a photo. Ultra photo and so my background no and you're playing. Mr. Yeah, I would have fair funny epic, Mr. Ye so wish a wig. Mr. Rama, when you now, Pacho, near who and you, yes, what a qua on the reject, no, now called that watch after several weeks or possibly months, and so I'm a photo no yet. And to Mr. Rama, when you know, more moody 3 minutes katakata when you moon 3 minutes and go mochi. Samusha wege cry over to me at Tugu. Now, travel to no plain background. Our natural light. Must say, when you're natural light, you're sure say, enough light. Our demo, we travel to now. Be who now they call you. The other one, no, said, okay, said, Ukuta expired Ghana passport, and British passport. Ubetimi de ako Ghana na. The answer is no. So Ukuta expired Ghana passport, na Ukuta British passport. I was a wokoje visa. And I said who apply for visa on arrival. Who apply for visa on arrival? On send you email. Aba. So email no na wo de be chere airline for na yes airline for no ma unko. Yes. So who to kwan na Ukuta expired Ghana passport and a British passport. Wa bra visa any British passport no ma ya ma unko. Enti so we obi a won check on niema passport na wu a won hwe na wu hunu a day or two ansa na wo passport no ewu ansa na what to kwan a first point of call Mr. Roman Koha Ghana High Commission yeah application for visa on arrival usually no will be Ghana on the call immigration no my application amount and on the call airport no my application amount now almost send no email no na what be chere airport no udua now I anticipate I was so called visa is a British passport no because all those who Ghana passport no and yet valid and it's a Ghana passport no yet valid that itself cannot be a proof of your citizenship
exactly
because it may be say or citizenship no one renounce so and I say you deprive of Ghanaian citizenship.
We de yati ase pa anka be da ase mpacho odofo bi wa homa ne so ye fra o se na o kasa free. Oh okay yo mpacho wa number ended with 7897 we do so ye fra o se na o kasa free.
Mpacho from me JTV me kasa free Edmonton.
Yo papa kosuma why?
Okay, good morning, Laura. But my question, no, me say me you use it to me Italian passport holder. Okay. My settled status and also, but me will be why will be Ghana minimum that amount there, but for the past 3 years, you didn't come on that you communication na de me person ka me ko worry no eba. But I was asking say one is it necessary say me ko gan me ko church pictures na de answer na ya marriage certificate na e bit me one aye marriage certificate na ba na ya application na manaba ana two meet me aye settle me passport details na my settle status ana pre-settle status na ma no ni ni bana about no mano na is it possible to do that? But I know me question.
Yo. Na yes abayan dia wo de we ni ho no wa ho.
Oh, minimum that over 15 years and by I've been for more 3 years in every time yeah.
Okay, Uncle Ben. Ninsa kodo.
Well, EU for an advantage a woman say wo worry obi na ode na ba ha. Requirement say we hu nipa no ebi ni ho. But under the British immigration rules no. So wo worry obi and our person worry obi na ode no ba your requirement say we hu nipa no. So ehu no nye video call pacho. Ana nye WhatsApp video call pacho. Ehunu nka se o me ne WhatsApp nti me physically me hu na yesi wa hunu no che se physically no mu gina ba bi ba ko wa hunu da but se wo ye EU ni na wo hu oba na obetimi aye customary marriage certificate wa bra wo ni ho that is the beauty of our custom nti obetimi aye customary marriage certificate na wo de aba na sorry na or the copy abra na wa ye online application so we apply under the British immigration rules and so on. Now when we are da, but one person will call, then a cost. And also, abusiafo betimi aye no ho ade. No mu wi a o register customary marriage no. Our Metropolitan Authority and our District Assembly. Na o customary marriage registration certificate. Na what the application. Or second question no man take because now we break it.
Yeah. Or they are too soon so Uncle Ben. Yeah, MBA obetimi asan baby. Yeah, order for bin so ahoma so hello kolampa cho kasa friend ya fra say.
Kenyan.
Mpacha ewa.
Oh, me de me ase. Manati, na me shira woni. Nke ban. Maya na ko me ba ko ba na ko. Okay, and see mama nchia wona me nchia Uncle
Ben.
The most Uncle Ben, yeah. No. Something beside come and say, okay, me year 2017, yeah, customer marriage, you know. But sometimes no man application there, but not me 2.5 years or so. January 17th of October 2017. And now May so me get na yeah.
My voice in Costa Rica, me why?
You. Say me yeah. Oye EU, 17th of October, 2017. But that time was not me 2.5 years. Now me 2.5 years. Into my application, yeah. Into I feel na me search EU route, so pre-settle or settle status, no so. That time, no, me immigration rules in the next month here by 30th of this month. And they said, my application now, I'm due to be qualify for permanent residence. And I say, the other question back also say, no, because more application sometime no much more amountano. Maybe me immigration rules no 2016 na bomb sound no my EU application no masa bomb sound na me say clear.
Well, first of all, no, what worry EU ni under the current dispensation, 2016 regulation, still not apply. And the EU free movement rights, a right, and you leave. And under the old style, we ban on 3 years. And And you all say about 2.5 years. No, who read the new EU SS now? Or say under no circumstance or under the EU pre-settled and settled status. No, about diversify were rights, which means right to be under the 2016 regulation, 2019 EU SS. No. Ain't mean Jim Fruin 3 years no wa acquire that. So who co apply for pre-settled status or member of 5 years from ene. Okay? Because ene leave.
Okay, that's it. Okay. Nanka October na kamenya minni benya 3 years.
Until October now in 3 years. In 2 years time no. Ubetimi apply for indefinite leave to remain. But Kai, so person who protects our rights now. I was saying your application latest by June of 2021. I was saying my application by 2021. Latest.
My application my change
EU SS no dada.
But me change me na makobo mensano nyema.
Okay, we are protected until October 2023, no, 2022. No, when you're 5 years, no, I qualify for indefinite.
Actually, also, I was for 3 years. Which you call for derivative right or and also
derivative right. The derivative rights, you know, as the name suggests, you know, and yet free movement rights. A right acquired either under case law, which is the case of Zambrano, case law, the case of Chen, or case law, the case of Ibrahim. Those rights, you know, rights are currently protected under the EU SS. You know. But what worry you need, your either residence card and as a limited leave to remain, and yet derivative right. Okay?
And not just say no say October never 3 years meet me for permanent residence.
What permanent residence? What worry you having a 5 years Abba? I'm having a 3 years Abba. We permanent resident. Because when you're a family member for 5 years,
yes.
Also you're a family member for 5 years. I hope that won't confuse retention of right. I don't know worry 3 years now we worry. Who protects us 3 years now when you know? Who did 2 no can one, and now 4 years who did 1 can one. Now we be indefinite. Who 2.5 under the immigration rules. However, now when you be worried that and son I will call you 2.5 no. It is our right not that so won't do soon because I am right and you leave. It is our person who protects our right now. The why and no about 5 years no. I have 5 years from 2017. Why?
Because I know no me begina me no so me nya and yet I was in me nya me German so. Me coach me nya for 2.5 no. Na se see eba we on immigration rules no. Sata we mo na me sia.
Emu dia wa he na wo pese wo gina so he.
Question can be son.
Say na me ka se bia me no Sata na me ye customary marriage no for 2017 on October 2017 I'm in the year customary marriage no up to now no because be I know about 3 years in the Sebia but I didn't say Jaya make me I go my own for permanent residence.
Oh here my members are question bio emu dia we na opese wugina so
me EU ni no EU na ware na me ye no
when we ni ware how many years ni
October na
when you 3 years right? Hello oh dear.
Okay, well, on your 5 years, on to me indefinitely, and I am man of derivative right because or you're under the treaty rights, under the 2016 regulation, and as a 2019 EU SS no, into on your indefinite leave because no one on your ban on worry for 5 years.
Yo, Uncle Ben. Say Emrene ya be and opinion siama ebelande o abakrada da intino yenjini mreni kitsue bi pena yemfa nye ne aka no mpatwa o ahoma so hello do for ahoma so ye frozen na aka se friend. Okay, say when to me engine so menhwe we so de no wow na ma end 7776 mpatwa idu so ni me last caller o friend ye frozen. Hello.
Hello. Good morning, Uncle Ben.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning,
because this is Manchester. I'm Ben. Manchester.
But consument through gadgets in the Moesa na confuse why direct from your phone in straight na Koso.
Yeah, Matimame. Now, my question about coffee, let me be of okay. If I show the question, back home, before Uncle Ben question say, the British passport, and I'm a Ghana, I call Ghana, a marriage. Now, my man could be, and now commitment man could be. And the question me, as I say, in the home, you say, no more, I worry, Miss Anisika, me will approve my Anisika, communicate, which is a call, and a camera, I hope to see now. I must say, many pictures say, Germany say a channel. Some year application be and second, she said, customer Mary Solicitor. This was the cover letter attach at the home.
But Bano, where won it? In your home, come on, in your may practice a well won it down. Send your can't say, okay. Oh. Minimum class member. My home is perfect. Okay.
My question is yes, my so for your message now. It's also what you cover letter. Actually, register as attach. And such a better and also I am now about one. Name now about so. Again, now, my boy, somebody more for the beer, I don't want to be town when you were black, when you were Dawson. And the other is at a bank, or some song, a man in power. Again, one boy, somebody maybe I need to be to the Chama. I can any shop.
Yeah, Uncle Ben.
Well, first of all, so we are British now, Kofa, Obana, Bema, Ba, Ewa, Remo. I was said, Obana, Bema, no, one that. A Hunu, and yet, Sanamaka, and your video, a physical. Ain't what the evidence not sure, so I call Ghana that usually never stamp a wall passport. Stamp pictures all pictures are fine. What the pictures are a problem. Ideally, no what pictures are a better, but wouldn't the pictures are this and I wall passport to them and our stamp and our arrival stamp and our departure stamping in our evidence. The other part, your Ghana customary marriage certificate, the process and answer our back because we are our real will fear and sana what they are calling. I was swear statutory declaration. Under the Statutory Declaration Act, say NRCD 185. To swear statutory declaration in year, not what they call Metropolitan Authority. Those is near friendly city council. And to make a city council, I'm what they call Metropolitan Authority. Now, Omono, I have statutory declaration now, a fee, Commissioner of Oath, and a notary public. No more issue, almost shadow certificate. You issue shadow certificate. I don't know evidence so I worry. Ghana. Now, two things. So we use Ghana, we here, so we be used letter B. Because Ghana we use so. But say two quite every Ghana bar. Your free be a friend apostolization. Apostle. Uba say document be a befi Ghana but say official document. Ne abono red bow tie. So I still now abono red bow tie no. And then I hear apostolization. Even UK, would it be free UK? I go outsider. Or more Victoria. Or bet me I apostolization. I official legalization of a document. So that document, court yebi. Ministers of Foreign Affairs yebi. Nemum, so what they baha. I advisable say Obama Ghana High Commission so abo letter ato so. Advisable be advisable be just a requirement. Who say sometimes no worry na home office for no kase. Send the our criteria or the abbey. You need official letter be say our criteria. You see, but the question I ask these people, sometimes they really drive me mad. I'll be frank with you. Some the British marriage certificate, echo. Some of the Koyebi or Ghana. Ghana buy no MB say letter ban account say I don't know the abano. British are buying a demand. So how dare they ask us for those documents? But who dealing with clients? Clients no pentem say na yere anani kumbeba. Ana na yere anani kumbenya asetena wa ha. Anya afi na woko kambrofo akese egu home office bia. On the say me pese me yere nya asetena, me pese me kumba. Enti pam no twam no na wa pesa letters no de aka ho. Na mo menya obi one me ya adwen a opese ye ne omo ye buga. You know, it's an into the lawyers no. Yetimi ye pa ama on the score of 100, you know, over 90%, you know, we win. For me, the key thing is say, you sure say be a good marriage customary marriage certificate to be valid. Let me sound a word of caution. So, who your customary marriage certificate? May I try was also single. Now, why worried that no jaya warrior? Now, immigration for no case single na ya trinity invalid. Catch almost say share question na ya no. Question is say any other existing marriage. And for Bearman or Bana question marital status. And because customary marriage, Bearman it me worried do no. And it no mubisano any other existing marriage. And tiakas is singular. Naturally say a warrior for be any ho. Because customary marriage, obet me a worry 2, 3, 4, 5. Think I worry 2 nanka wa listed, my worry a queer tenewa, my worry gifty a chiao, and I say my worry na cho so you. Now what they are shesso. Nanka ye kama. But on worry will be anything at the single ashesso. But say a marriage ordinance there, and it was reflected. Because sometimes even marriage ordinance, almost was married under customary law. And some of my ordinance, no, valid.
I thought it be an abro for now. One on the buy so no. Na a confusion one cause Uncle Ben. Yemre na be but men come WhatsApp message me no be penna afayen sorry so na yenko. Say good morning. My child above 21 years applied for an EEA family permit and was refused. The ECO stated he failed to prove evidence regarding his own financial position, so they cannot establish his dependency wholly or partly. How do we prove that, please, Uncle Ben?
Well, first of all, what the akola bar, well, onya akola, what the oba bar or above 21, there is the issue of dependency. Dependency is a washano. It is a wena, I was all the Chinese with the Sicano echo. Now, we be so improve on one financial circumstance. Obi a we on the financial circumstance, and scanner what the ban. The receipts, now what you need egu Excel and a spreadsheet so. And to me, my member me £50 January, February £100, March. Why are you not tin? Scout your command, why are you tin?
That's right.
Now, why expenditure? Expenditure usually will be mentary or share, grooming, evidence of provision of accommodation is animal. And to here be out to prove any other external circumstance. I will prove no, I had the way a man on no penny was so prove.
Okay, that's it. And I went to say I am over 21 and a dependent child of an EA national. My student finance application has been refused because they said prior to the start of my course, I was working full-time and therefore I am not eligible. Since I do not meet the dependency requirement, I have already shown household and financial dependency from my sponsor, but still not approved. Please, how can I appeal against this decision as I'm still in employment, Uncle Ben?
Well, first of all, no. So we go university they almost no. So we EU ni now we dependent. We a bit crafty. Almost share so why we dependent. To say we adwuma begas obi how we adwuma we then dependent. You nim say we go university full time. We adwuma we na nya no na ye hwe. Yes. We adwuma wa ya da no obi anya interested. Nti nya na adwuma na or yen intini yem mano student finance no. Okay. But almost said because or your family member, dependent family member no. So yeah, Juma full timer. Or yeah, then or your dependent. But you see, the case of Dehu Kase, dependency is in two forms: living with, financial, and in most circumstances, you know, emotional. And both emotional, financial, living with, you know, what the name Aboma, I will say with me. You refuse student finance. Over 3 chances of redress. First of all, your representation, ombe review. Second of all, your further representation, abeko another team. Third, your not final representation, and ye are bet me a call for judicial review. I think that they are totally wrong. It may be say omo pesa wo chromo exactly say na we dependent no. What o ma me fie na we adwuma. Usually no nya na utia rent. O ma me na o papa de tia. And that itself no aye dependency. And for me no the law says say obetimi aye dependent. Wa bra wo san ehwa wo ho. And this out to our travel costa. Now, my men and my Diana, your balance here. No, Diana rent and also sense with our travel cost. Now would be 2 books, still no way dependent.
You, Uncle Ben, and say, your last one, they are sorry. Opening, are you ready? Ain't no, way.
Good morning, Manye. Good morning, Uncle Ben. Me pa mo cho se mu nyina mo ho ye nyame nhira mo ne adwuma pa mo ye eboa abusuen e aye wo UK my mo ha me pa cho mpese me bisa Uncle Ben asem kakra me pa cho Uncle Ben me ye application for no recourse to public fund no na me drew me fill forms no me drew baby a omo e bisa an applying dependents na me pa cho e ho no me nte ase kakra me wo enkwala mienu ba ko ye British na mpacho ba ko susu ni enkrata ba owo kromo hasen enti me pacho mi nim ne me fanhye ho me srewa ka obetimi explain a chere a nyame nhira mo papa amen.
Okay.
Manyeti, ya answer that. The answer is usually no or nkola omo ye dependent a wona wo hwe wo mo a bia na ba ko ye British into we your application would no recourse no or non can but because of trade the money di no I was say wo mo hu so ye calculation on the assessment na na ehun say wo maye mienu instead of 1 to ba no ye British na or no on your application no e friend no non-applying dependent child and a non-applying dependent as ye no.
Okay. Your Uncle Ben, say yembre no afide aso ewie nti ye beda wase na kra sana me direction ne address ne ade betu dwana ma sorry no mesra o say o bibi a o betwa to kra ma ye na etf say student finance ade ye be call holiday ne be bie school people are applying to no me say no so no eno amete say Uncle Richard ka ho asem but dodo na antumi enti ye be fair no so one of these days na ye cheche mu amamfo na or akoma so mu ye enti mesere mpacho ene de nkra na de beja ye na ye sorry nko.
Well, first of all, no, you know, the person be able to say Bwf Solicitors, your Jumana, your BA, your facilities in place. Opesa oba ho ofre your arrangements amount no about. Opesa my instructions so which me remotely by email, WhatsApp, or by post. I mind the number na beto by a person will be who say ofre landline na on sabekan 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 but opesa ofre me 077 12 761 884 077 12 761 884 me wa niema mienu a ye deba Baako, community legal advice. Misramo, before COVID, no, na mo nkrofo mo ye 50 or more. O he o fre Bwf a yebeba ya krachefo ne ye raba no eba. Na COVID ya bay, your community no still so mo here free legal advice. Enti from next week, so we are Ghanaian, we are African, we are British, we are Daniel. So our group bia ubetimi abo nkrofo 50 anoa. You betimi ni wa Zoom free advice. Yen man stream live. Yen streaming live our Facebook. But I advise woni wuku say Manchester Ghana Association, Leicester Ghana Association. Business Zoom I use. Uma ye hu a ye be ma code a wo be ma nkrofo 50 or more no na ya ba
line no yeah na reception na yes okay
or more people. The other one also say in the next couple of weeks, starting yes Saturday Bwf TV program.
Hooray!
And then it will be both Ghanaian language and English because the African community BAME community Oma reach out say Oma to say very good in Tomo pay advice ni bi wo brofum. In the next couple of weeks, BWF TV. Usually on a Saturday, it may be say other weekdays, but it will be in the evenings. But the current one, 50 people, free legal advice on Zoom. Anywhere in the world, anywhere in the UK. To advice, free advice.
Yo, Uncle Ben, that's it. They are sweet cram and up home. Na TV, baby, hey, me do. Yo, my dear, I want who de Rosa, man, Crawford, Saturday evening now, or relaxing now, nya free legal education, and a good pa. And Uncle Ben, that's it. Yo, and we are no near door for tea for a honey edumadi no abewi ye na edumadi a wuti ye Bwf Solicitors for omadaroma omoni GN radio akaboma every Friday bia ye the legal education the bremo legal education mra kromo hansam any Ghana hansam ene topic a kire hu hia papa sa Ghana national ne senior obeye Ghana ni why na ye Ghana ni ne nyina enam se voting abe na sekra meti room obi se yesi ya yeti abonte ye nyina ye register na yentumi embe vote ene ye papa Uncle Ben Bernard the wise man obe church mu nyina e de amaye amaye hu senior ko entino unim opposition now as a Ghanaian na unye Ghana ni nso akwan be na obe fa so aye Ghana ni no nso ode abekire yen yo Bwf Solicitors for ohwehwe mu ikira akwan a embia na bibi da wo so embia yentumi anka ho nsem ene embia na wo question kra wentumi ambisa embi nso kra mpo obisa yensu mentumi ankenkan ma Uncle Ben en maumwaya enkechi every Friday bia ye wa ha enkechi any Thursdays nso omo Rainbow Radio saa nso obetumi de akoso omo ho na mom ohwehwe omo ekira akwan a obe follow omo na omo edi wasem ama ono ene ekọ 4th floor Anna House ewo hemfa 4th floor Anna House ewo 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters na postcode ne ye N154NP 7 Sisters tube station no se wo fruit train na wo see from pepe wo fit train mu underground train na se tube a ye friend no wo pie ya de exit number 2 no wo pie na wo be won se abansuru bi si so abansoro ne si exit ne so pepepe tese baby a opie na wura abansoro ne mo sa abansoro na go to the 4th floor oko 4th floor na obehu Bwf Solicitors ewo honom na omo number we a ofra ubenya all their excellent lawyers no ubenya omo na oni omo edi wasem sa no mani ni mpacho bona fa to phone so tro wo kotodua no mane nye wo finger we chese wo kai Bwf Solicitors na na mane wo utim 0208 one day ebeba handy amount 0208 493 7340 me science subium 0208 493-7340 na ofra obetumi enya Uncle Bernard obetumi enya lawyer Eunice obetumi enya lawyer Richie anase lawyer Francis ni lawyer Patrick metumi de omo nyina na mes egusunso ama na mom na main one na ofra obetumi ni a connect ewo ofra obia etumi eje so na ya connect wo ama lawyer opese onene kasa na o call 7 sisters ya obetumi the tube akọ upie tube station na EZ2 o de bus nso na nama buses number 149 76 243 259 279 318 476 obetumi de akọ na se wo driving so mo Tesco kakrake bi ewo 7 sisters tube station ne so Broadway ne so na obetumi akọ park 90 minutes free na wakọ Bwf Solicitors for ho na omedi o wasema na COVID situation omo the protocol ato o say omaye the whole place secure say o ko ho a ensuro say o konya COVID bi ye den hihye ato ho ama obia oba senya obeya you feel secure and safe nanso sa obekọ a na ehia ne senka obefrɛ na we book appointment na kyerɛ sɛ o ma hwe wenim kwan na wo de aba Bwf Solicitors omoyade enye se ubekọ ho nko a sisi a se upese ye hwe wasem kra ma ewo WhatsApp video Zoom video Skype video a ne nyina mo san hihye ho se uwo Manchester uwo Liverpool uwo Scotland be bia na upese Bwf Solicitors edi wasem ma wa embo hu enye ma ne nya wa adwendwen se wo de train tintintin kwan da bi wo de from na se upe Skype communication and I say WhatsApp communication video and I say Zoom krana they can arrange that for you now the wasem etise osiwenim na utinenim na wo de wasem ema lawyer confidentially na otiewu na chese waka wasem nyina na emwa omo no na omo de aboa enti Bwf Solicitors omo nsanom emotene pa ekoba bia bomodia na ko hu omo na asem bia eda wakoma so na ha wo immigration mu ha wo family law mu how litigation ni dispute resolutions no and I say ebia Ghanaian law ebia ne say enene ebesua ye Ghana to become a Ghanaian citizen and I say dempo na chese we Ghana ni no omutumi dealing in all these things inti bomodia na ko Bwf Solicitors na omonum endi wasem emma na omo speciality pa na chese ho de wo fa ho from A to Z no question problem o cases o be fa ho bia enam nyame adom nti on be win no family law any immigration ho de omo expert omo agi ho badge sekra kentin kamienu na chese ebobo omo abase na oba I mean say asema o de ko edie already we need that enti na ko hu Bwf Solicitors na on be dia bo aha na de adwumedi ebebe wie ye mesremo medamase nso ye papa openiesi ama hey ya me dene de epoene baby anjo ye de ba ama akwan mu nyame ye adoma next week na se ne ye besan ehie biom ye da mu nyina ase nyame hyehyere obi bia na weekend ye be bomodia na fa ho to no so na bonibia amba wa kwam ye da mase nyame nhyira mo memobia bye bye.
Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Everybody say,